Good Sunday morning. It is cold. It is 4:30 in the morning. I know. I woke up at 4 o'clock, tossing and turning. Back is hurting. Gracie the cat is under the blanket. This wasn't supposed to arrive until Tuesday. And I kind of have an idea of something I want to cook in it, but it's cold and I don't want to go to the store this morning. Come on. I like to go early. Let's try to open this without damaging the box because it looks like they wrapped paper right around the original box. How do we do that? Let's start a tear somewhere. Okay, there's a tear. Now I think this is from 1954. I've got a print ad, circa 1954. It's an Ekco Flint 4.5 quart stock pot. Give it away, will ya? Oh, vanadium steel. Oh, 15-year guarantee. Supposed to be brand new. Hi. It's too early. Oh, Flint Ware Radiant Heat Core. You know what? This has a pretty good weight to it for a small stock pot. That's kind of one of the reasons I wanted to buy it. This is only the second Radiant Heat Core I own, and this is the first, the 2 quart from Flint Ware. You can barely make out what's written on the bottom. I mean, seriously, you almost can't see it. And I generally don't care for pots that have a raised inner bottom, but it's still gorgeous. And for some reason, well, when I saw this, oh no, they stuck tape on the, well, okay. There already was some kind of, no, they stuck tape on the box. Why do people do that? Why do they do that? I don't want to get out the heat gun. This black tape looks original. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, we're okay. At least he put it on top of the black. Maybe I can do this. I swear I don't understand what they're thinking. I really don't. I'm gonna have to tell him. It's alright, damage is already done. I don't care anymore. It's too cold and I can't see out of my left eye. Alright, well, the box is broken anyway. Maybe we'll end up throwing the box away. You know, what is it? 54? 12 minus 5 is 72 years old? 72? Let's do it. Let's get it out of there. Radiant Heat Core. We'll weigh it too. Oh. You know, their lids are pretty heavy. Farberware lids are like tissue paper. I love Farberware, but they're like tissue paper. These Flint lids are... This lid is pretty solid. Alright. And very pretty. This unscrews. I don't remember if they put a brass insert in these. I bet they didn't. I'm not going to bet. It's too early. But let's see. Because I don't remember. Oh, yeah. There's a brass. They went through the trouble, unlike today where they just have threads in plastic. And it's got weight. It's Bakelite. That's pretty cool. You know, that's a lot of work. Machining and molding and stuff. Don't see any dents. There are some light scratches on the bottom. I didn't really see them in the ad. I don't know if I want to polish it, but it's possible a little Mother's Mag will get rid of some light scuffs. I don't know if these scuffs will come off. So this has definitely seen shelf wear, at least. It might be new, but it has seen some shelf wear. And why does my camera go pink sometimes? Auburn, burnt umber. There's a word. Sienna, whatever. This is a 4.5 quart. Back to normal. Let's check you've got some ribbing underneath. And it looks deliberate for grip. You know, you don't lose your grip. And we've got the little ridge going on that they have in the handles. It's very attractive. And it's got some good weight. We might have to compare this to the Farberware 4-quart. Radiant heat core. I don't know if the radiant heat core is like a carbon steel sandwiched between stainless or if it's actually aluminum. They were touting it as the finest cookware with an invisible radiant heat core. And it's still very light, so the stainless on each side must be very thin. I just don't know what their radiant heat core is. I should do some more research. Maybe we can find out. It's still, I think, a gorgeous little stock pot. And in the 50s, this cost $10 and change. I'm just saying. So now I have two. Now we have 2 radiant heat cores. You know what? I should do a video. What's your least favorite saucepan? I'd say the 1 quart. I never use the 1 quart. I love a 1.5 quart, but the 1 quart's always a little too small for me. So maybe if I find a 3 quart, I'll buy it. And then I don't want an 8 quart. I've got a lot of 8 quarts. 4.5 is perfect for a small batch for, 2 people. Anyway. Good Thursday. That's right. It's Thursday. Not Sunday. A whole week has gone by. Almost. I had originally planned to make the buffalo wing coconut lime soup in our new Flint stock pot. It is so much bigger than the 4-quart Farberware. You got to take a look. This is the 4-quart Farberware. This is the Flint. It's bigger, and this is only supposed to be 4.5 quarts. That's something. 4 quart, 4.5? I don't know. Something's fishy. It doesn't make sense to compare their weights because this is so much bigger. But let's weigh this just for fun. On you go. 2 pounds, 1.1 ounces. It's not that light, but it's still lightweight. And I don't know what we're going to cook in it. We're going to cook something. Maybe next week if we're alive. Thank you, refrigerator. That's it for today. Thanks for joining us this Thursday, present day. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.